Quick video, going to talk about the latest firmware upgrade as of the end of September 2021 to version 13.3 for the Sonos Roam, and some of the important fixes that come with this update. The update number is 13.3, and you're going to find that the Sonos has improved Roam's power management. It's going to extend battery life, especially when the device is not actively being used. It's also going to make it possible to wake up the device just by pushing one of the buttons on the top here. Any of them really will then wake up the device if it's been sleeping. And then also it's going to notify you if the Roam is connected to a charger where the charging block, perhaps like one of these, isn't enough wattage to adequately charge the device. So it's going to notify you of that in the app. Okay, so these are very important because these are issues people have been having with the device for quite some time now. Been very frustrating, and then doing this update is going to resolve those issues. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the Roam. Got the solid white light, so we're turned on. And then we're going to go ahead and find my S2 app and load that. And then right off the bat, what it's telling me is that the Sonos Roam needs an update. And looks like it's showing 73% power. And now, if you don't immediately get this thing to pop up, go ahead and hit this wheel, this gear down in the bottom right corner, and then you'll see inside System that Sonos Roam needs update. And then you can go ahead and hit it there. So I'm going to do the update. Roam needs update. Needs update. Lots of key presses to get that going. It's telling me, yep, found the update. The update's going to stop it from playing. I'm going to go ahead and do the update. Now we're getting the progress bar. It says, do not unplug anything during this 2 to 3 minute update. Well, I didn't plug mine in to begin with because it didn't make that clear. I think it'll be fine. So what I can see is I'm getting some really unusual colors. May not show up in the video, but it's flashing amber, white. It's really more of a yellowish amber, yellow, white, right next to the Sonos logo. And we're still making some more progress. Now we're getting some slow repeating white. It looks like it's doing a reboot. The amber color stopped. It says it's finishing up. Got a solid white. Nope, it's still flashing white. And so far, this is taking me about 2 minutes, and then we get that final check. And it tells us that we are up to date. So I'm going to head and look at About My System. And I see that now I am showing version 13.3. So that's the latest update as of end of September 2021, and with that I should be able to see that it performs a little better on battery, and we'll be testing that. And then also when you put it to standby mode by pushing the back power button one time, the light goes out and I'm in standby mode, but I can push anything on top now to wake the device back up. And there I go, I pushed the play button and then the light came straight back on. So any of these buttons now work to open it up, and you don't have to use the power button on the back. So that's it. That's how you update the firmware on your Sonos Roam to version 13.3 and some of the benefits that you'll get from doing that. So I highly recommend it. And if you found that this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And I hope that you have a great day.